Oh, man. Ogres not what they used to be. There you go. Always fun to have a double hit of Kidsworth and good old Zoe and Charlie. Non-stop fun going on right smack dab here, center of the television universe, TVO Kids Crawl Space. Going to tell you that we got another half of the brain train coming up today. What do we got? We got to take a look. That's exactly right. They're going to be taking a look at some things. But before we get to any of that, I thought it might be a good time to show you some of the TVO Kids. Do you want it? You want to see the video? Ah, yeah, Joe, we want to see it. Let me show it to you. We have got ourselves good old Celine. She is 5 years old, and she lives in, Brentford, Ontario. That's always fun. Now, we got three siblings here. This is Nicholas, Alexandria, and Stephanie. They all live together in Toronto, Ontario. Now, I've also got another brother-sister act. That's Celine. She's 5 years old, and that is also Braden, and they live in Brantford, Ontario. Hello! This is good old Adam. Adam is 4 years old, and he lives in Orleans, Ontario. Not to be confused with New Orleans, of course. Now, this is Amanda. Amanda's 7 years old. She lives in Tecumseh, Ontario. Meet Zachary, who's 4 years old. That's his sister, Gabrielle, and they live in Scarborough, Ontario. Now, Chantal here is 5 years old. She lives in Stittsville. Say it with me. Stittsville. And this is Chelsea. Guess how old Chelsea is? Absolutely right. That's a big four beside her. She lives in Leamington, Ontario. All right, take a look at some heat on Take a Look.